Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continued support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yes, as we always said, look on your thumbnail, you know, so whether or not you like Bounty Killer or not, you know, one thing we know that him always speak the truth. We can't tell you that. Not because we know him personally and him thing, but we just tell you say he's a man where we have a lot of respect for him because him just speak truth. Not because, you know, no matter how big you are and them thing, yeah man, Bounty Killer, you know, him always speak the truth. So right now, as you look on your thumbnail, you will see Bounty Killer explain why he believed Vybz Kartel was destined for prison. So it was Vybz Kartel destiny, you know, for go to prison. This is where the killer said. And there's no one in the dancehall arena that know Vybz Kartel more than Bounty Killer. And look, you know that everybody that cross Vybz Kartel and offend them, him always kill them. Yeah, get people. When I say allegedly, when I say get people to kill them or try to kill them. Corey had survived Vybz Kartel and from Vybz Kartel, and Corey Tad wife Shamara Tad get shut up. You understand? Vybz Kartel said, "What a man, evil man." The only person that him never successful for make a hit at was Isaiah Leng, because we at the Jamaica Young Police channel had received that information and we just make it public, known public and them thing, and you understand, and when it become public, then them kill the man them were supposed to kill Isaiah Leng. So the man are evil, you know, you understand? So so as you know, as we said to you before and them thing, they say, boy, this man, you know, Bounty Killer explained why he believed Vybz Kartel was destined for prison. So ladies and gentlemen, imagine a world without the beats that make us move, the rhythm that define our celebration and the voices that speak to our souls. In the art of Jamaica's dancehall scene, one name rise above the rest. Yeah man, Bounty Killer. Whether or not you want to believe it, you know, yeah man, Rodney Price. Yeah, better known as Bounty Killer. He's not just an artist, he's a visionary, a mentor, and a guiding force or generation of stars. And those of you who used to listen to Mutty Perkins, you know, whether you like Mutty Perkins or Vybz or Bounty Killer, you know that of all of the DJ them during Bounty Killer reign with him and the Rear Admiral, yeah man, the one were involved in a killing a bogle, yeah man, that big old Rear Admiral guy. You understand? Mutty Perkins say of all of the artists them, the one that come closest to Bob Marley was Bounty Killer. So all you hear a guy about, him a dancehall king and this and that. They're not a dancehall king, nothing. Because them not do no positive music like Bounty Killer. I tell you that, you know what I mean? Oh, that Mutty Perkins said and we said. So yeah, so from the early days of Baby Sham to the explosive rise of Elephant Man, Bounty Killer has been more than a mentor. He has been a lifeline. Artists like Nitty Kochi, Boom Dynamite, Vybz Kartel, Movado, Bling Dog, Busy Signal owe their successes to his wisdom and guidance. But amidst these rising stars, one figure stood out, Vybz Kartel. Yeah. So Bounty Killer said, boy, him did expect Vybz Kartel for change the trajectory of the people, them mindset in a Jamaica and take them from the immoral behavior and get them, back on track where, decency and all the Rear Admiral lifestyle and all them things, they embrace it. So Bounty Killer says he saw something in Kartel, a talent that could change a game. But he also saw the darkness lurking beneath the surface. He saw the potential for greatness overshadowed by controversy and conflict. So in Alliance crew, where loyalty and respect were paramount, Kartel methods stood in dark contrast. So while Alliance aimed to elevate through unity, Kartel's Gaza empire seemed to thrive on division and domination. And then came the prophecy. With his keen insight and unwavering honesty, Bounty Killer warned that Vybz Kartel was heading down a dangerous path, and that would lead not to glory but to prison. It was a chilling prediction that shook the dancehall world to its core. So today we stand at the crossroad of history and legacy. Vybz Kartel is in prison. Bounty Killer's words ring true as we reflect on Vybz Kartel's journey. The good, the controversial, and the tragic. So join us as we hear from Bounty Killer who saw it all coming. Hear why he believed in the black Vybz Kartel. Yeah man, the black Vybz Kartel. Yeah. The cartel whose potential was overshadowed by his darker deeds. Understand why Alliance Crew stood for something greater than individual success and believe in uplifting each other without tearing down others. So I want you to listen to Bounty Killer. You understand? Yes. We listen to the killer way I say about this man and them thing there. Why Vybz Kartel is a destiny for him go to prison because he saw some greatness in the man and what, look here. This man is the epitome of evil, Yeah man. So you're going to hear it for yourself what Bounty Killer is saying. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Kartel, listen me man. Kartel on a pupa. A cartel, una follow cartel a groom your moral. When me a bring cartel, tell me which party most immoral. You know, understand? Just tell you in there. It's when them leave on the killer roof. Me no know the teacher.
Yeah.
Me know Adija Palmer Vybz Kartel. I don't know Haddy the daddy. I mean, I know the teacher. I mean, I know the cake soap who bleach. Me no know that man there. Alright, a black cartel me bring, I remember cartel got immoral when them start bleach,
Yeah.
The black cartel are the real cartel,
Yeah.
So that was my protege until him move off on him own and decide say he want to do all these crazy, ridiculous things. But I have no regret of bringing anybody.
Yeah.
Because that was my job to help and get to you. Me never help cartel to come be that. But in my own manner, you know, my thing is democratic.
Yeah.
You have your own member alliance. It's not a boot camp.
Yeah.
We don't beat people to do the right thing. We encourage them. When them can't do it no more, them go.
Yeah, so you have to give credit where credit is due. You hear the man say, him no know the bleach, teacher the bleacher, and him no know the daddy and them thing. Him know black cartel. So boy, so yeah, so I don't want to top him attack, before the man at the bottom. I see a man still doing it. Yeah. Whether black, regardless whether he's black or bleach, Vybz Kartel proudly proclaim himself as Lucifer incarnate, Lucifer in the flesh, Can you believe a man proud same as Satan, But no, he must say, boy, I'm a ball, and I say, boy, I want God to help him, and God to help him out of prison, and all of them things. But yet, this I see him, proud and say, oh, Lucifer, and that the devil, and all them things. No, hey, God, him a beg now, say, want God to help him, for make him go to prison. But make him come out of prison. But we I say, hey, we want God kill him in a prison. Yeah, man. So I would say Bounty Killer speak truth. So imagine a world where respect isn't just a word, but a currency. Loyalty is the foundation of success, and the music we love echoes the struggles and triumph of its creators. The art of Jamaica's dancehall beat the story of Rodney Price, known to millions as Bounty Killer. He's not just a name, he's a legend, a guiding force behind the rise of icons like Baby Sham, Elephant Man, Busy Signal, and we can Bling Dog, and countless others. Mavado, yeah, that I want yeah, the one where, boy, I'll cartel this the wicked, Yeah, Mavado, the barber. I can't cartel easy, I tell you, But amidst the bright lights and rhythm, there is a shadow. A shadow named Vybz Kartel, with his sharp tongue and unwavering principles. Yeah, man, unwavering. Bounty Killer didn't mince words when he spoke of Kartel. I don't know Addy, the daddy, and I don't know the bleacher as a teacher. He remarked, casting a critical eye on Kartel persona and methods. Hey, them thing there are no complimenting them. I say that to them, yeah, man. So yet behind the scenes, a darker truth emerged. Did you know that Vybz Kartel once plotted against Bounty Killer himself? Yeah, man. The same mentor who paved the way for Kartel's success became a target of his ambition and resentment. It's a tale of betrayal and ambition where the lines between fame and infamy blur. Yeah, at one time, yeah, man, Kartel get people fling back up on Bounty Killer now, and bad mind boy, that's why God must, yeah, man, retribution have to reach him, man. Imagine the man take you up and from nothing and turn in a star, and you get people fling back up on the man whenever happen yet. And God no must curse him, man. You have to dead a prison, Yeah, man, that boy, you have to dead a prison. I want a wicked boy. You understand? But we say for a brown paper bag of work, because we night, Yeah, man, so Bounty Killer express his belief in Vybz Kartel behavior and lifestyle and choices. Yeah, and we can elaborate upon that, because whether or not you want to believe it or not, remember, the reason why Vybz Kartel in a prison, see, kill Lizard, because Lizard caught him, Vybz Kartel behind Sham Star, and you understand, and Lizard says Sham Star, nice like some effer cow, Yeah, hey, look, me don't know what that mean, believe you, me, because, you understand, me don't know how them come by that, but you don't know, say, a whole heap of them know about the farm business and all them things, and when the bull cow upon the effer cow, so them say, Sean Star, behave, Yeah, and hey, look here, and I tell you something about not nice to the same rear admiral behavior to Kartel. Boy, I tell you, hey, how the man behave, so? Man, hey, boy, the man all grab on, yeah. Yeah, man, Kartel, one time the man grab on for a not nice body, and I saw him take away all the man's studio, Hey, boy, anyway, we'll continue the journey. So today, as we reflect on Bounty Killer's words and the complexities of their relationship, we are reminded that greatness isn't just about talent. It's about integrity. It's about the choices we make and the values we uphold. Bounty Killer's journey isn't just about the music, but the courage to stand for what's right, even when it faced with adversity. Yeah, I look here. I two artists in the music industry and I dance all about, when I sign when you call it Reggae Compassion Act. Yeah, man. Hey, Bounty Killer not eat that, because Bounty Killer is smart, brother. Them man say, oh, me not sell my soul, for this world, because me want anytime me depart this world, me have a legacy like Bob Marley. The others, them, Iman Shabarang say only two artists. Well, they don't know like man like Lucian and Everton Blend. Them man have to sign them, because them man in the business born a real admiral. Them man just do positive music and just continue them thing, continue them work. But you don't know, for the man them where, where I say, boy, you know, Laga and Step on Chichiman, all them the man they bow on them thing there, and guess what? You that think say boy the people them, Jamaican people them, you know, that stand up, our black people that stand up for them culture. No sir. Them gone straight tonight. You understand? Right tonight, sir, promote the rear admiral thing. You know, man, them get also licky at Jamaica. That's man, I'll use all special and hey man, them boy them in Jamaica. The boy them so lazy and dirty. That's all. Man, when a team have all them inclination there, that the lifestyle they might gravitate to because I licky and likes and want to live big. Why I mean, I don't know how man do that still doing, but hey, why are the sickness that though? You understand? Yeah, so you don't know killer is the man we stand when it come on to decency, morality and our culture as black people. You understand? So as we delve into the art of dancehall history, where legends clash and egos collide, so hear the stories that shape an era and discover the lessons that transcend music. Bounty Killer's words echo through time, a reminder that character matters as much as talent in pursuing greatness. So you can't hear Bounty Killer tell nobody to do nothing immoral apart from when him do him song say boy copper shot this and that are back in ideas and them thing. And as him get older him say boy, you know say the music you know words really powerful and them thing, you know. So him stop. Him not denounce him still do him song them and all them thing way. Cause one thing with him still doing him not stop bust 50 caliber upon the rear admiral them, you know. Yeah man, yeah. You know, I have to give him credit for that, man. Hey, him not play the man, and him say them can't keep them visa. Yeah man, you understand. Although we, you know, you don't know, you know, we do a video and I say boy, and you know, we even send a letter to you White House, man. Cause our brethren and them thing there. Although we not talk to him for years, but we not forget where we come from. I just say it go. You understand? Even some people I say boy, mine, you know, mine I put your security clearance in a problem and them thing there with Uncle Sam because you go do that. Bounty Killer not involved in a crime. Me and Bounty, and you know, me know the man and them thing there, me I speak to him character as a farmer, detective or on space, so you understand? So me not have a problem for do it. Me know the man and that man never indulging in a criminality. Bounty Killer, you can't, there's no one can say Bounty Killer make this man dead or that man dead or that man get shot. None. Me I tell you that. You understand? When I was there, me no know after. I mean I hear that even after. Just like how you hear the rear admiral involved in a killing a bogle because a man hurt him feeling. How much things people say about Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer Bounty Killer real get up youth. Him know it go on him thing the muster and people are gonna say Bounty Killer and a rear admiral where have no thin skin and feel like say boy him feelings no fair. They have no business like that. So this is more than rivalry. It's a testament to the power of truth and the resilience of human spirits. Let Bounty Killer's voice guide us through the rhythms of Jamaica's soul and remind us that even in the spotlight, integrity is our most accurate measure of success. So yeah, that's true. So I'm sure you know say as a year you know me listen to Bounty Killer and them thing. Now Bounty Killer I say boy I no love no exist again in the world. You know? I pay money, you know, all them girls I want are just money. That's why I'm not married. Yeah. So Vybz Kartel was romantically, you know, involved, you know, with Milk Swale, you know, who was previously in a relationship with Bounty Killer. This highlights issues of transactional dynamics over genuine affection, money, no love. So she, you know, she used to deal with Bounty Killer and them thing there, and after she did deal with him for 7 years, and the angel was him woman when him live with and them thing there. That I see I mean I tell you, you know, that I see a woman, you know, left. She left Bounty Killer, you know, and go there with Beanie Man, you know. The man, hey, me I tell you, you know, hey, that's why I say boy, me rate Bounty Killer, man. Bounty Killer is a saint. Everything what Bounty Killer have, that big guy boy they want it. Me I tell you, a real admiral Beanie Man. He may get to come back to America, you know, cause well, you can't say that still, cause you just might never know, cause look man Buju Banton, you understand? Cause remember saying, you know, him go through the sea, him have Grammy too, you know, so and him never got prison in America, but film thing and money laundering, but Buju a drugs thing, so we don't know how him not get back film visa, or the rear admiral not get back film. Why, hey, so maybe him need to go check Chief Curry and make Chief Curry sort him out. You understand? Yeah, I just saw it going on. And I tell you, for real. So, this is more than a story of music and fame. It's all about a man. It's a story of mentorship, foresight, and the enduring power of influence. Bounty Killer's journey is intertwined with the fabric of dancehall history, which continue to shape our world today. So as we honor the legacy of Bounty Killer and reflect on the lessons learned from Vybz Kartel's tumultuous rise, let his story be cautionary tale and a testament to the complexities of fame, influence, and the choices we make along the way. So a Bounty Killer and an ordinary artist and them thing. Because the man he don't predict say you see Black Cartel or a real cartel. The cartel here, no, this cartel here, this a cartel. I mean I know this a Addy the daddy and teacher the bleacher. Yeah. So that's and him say him don't know say the man are destined for go to prison. So Bounty Killer, you understand, often, a prominent Jamaican dancehall artist has often voiced his view on the industry and its players. So regarding Vybz Kartel, another influential dancehall artist, Bounty Killer has expressed his belief that cartel behavior and lifestyle choices would lead to his incarceration. Because him done say that already now, and I want to show a man to go be, where him say, oh, cartel, you bite the hand feeder, you must suffer. Yeah, man, Bounty Killer did say that. Yeah, man, him said that. A man to go be. And the people, them love him, man. You understand? Yeah. So, Bounty Killer mentioned that cartel's association with negative influences and his involvement in criminal activities were clear indicators of a path that would eventually lead to prison. Him said them things privately, yeah, not publicly, and he felt that Kartel's talent was overshadowed by his actions, and despite his musical genius, his choices inevitably caught up with him. So Bounty Killer's comment reflects his perspective on the consequences of certain lifestyle within the dancehall community. Vybz Kartel, yeah man, you understand, Vybz Kartel transformation are both poignant and alarming. According to Bounty Killer, Vybz Kartel was once a proud African Jamaican, fully embracing his identity and thriving as a valued member of the Alliance camp, where Bounty Killer was the leader. During this period, Kartel was seen as a better person, and his talent contributed positively to the group and the wider dancehall scene. However, Bounty Killer observed a drastic and troubling shift in Kartel's behavior and persona when he started causing conflicts, left the group and began bleaching his skin. This physical transformation was not merely cosmetic but symbolized a more profound, more concerning change in Kartel's character. Bounty Killer referred to this alter Kartel as bleach the teacher, or bleach out ghost, indicating a loss of the vibrant, authentic spirit that once defined him. So you must say, boy, Kartel from them time on, Kartel start transform to evil. So with this change, Kartel's music took a darker turn, increasingly filled with negativity and destructive themes. His lyrics and actions began to promote immorality and chaos, bringing these elements to unprecedented level in Jamaican dancehall. Bounty Killer expressed profound dismay at witnessing Kartel descent, suggesting that his former ally had succumbed to sinister influences. Bounty Killer's reflections are not just a critique of Kartel's choices, but a sad commentary on the dangers of losing one's true self to external pressure and destructive behavior. He believed that Kartel's drastic changes were a sign of a lost soul consumed by darker forces, leading him to self-destruction. This perspective prompted Bounty Killer to conclude that Kartel was destined for prison, as he viewed him as a mere husk of a man he once was, his soul devoured by negative influences. Bounty Killer observations warn about the perils of abandoning one's true identity and values. They highlight the importance of staying true to oneself amidst the pressure and temptation of fame and success. His message called for a return to authenticity, positivity and moral integrity in the dancehall community and beyond. Bounty Killer's remarks on Vybz Kartel's music and its implications reflect deep concern about societal values and the role of artists in influencing culture. According to Bounty Killer, when Vybz Kartel began incorporating themes in his music that glorify Satan, it marked a departure from the positive potential of his talent. Bounty Killer believed that Kartel's artistic gifts were meant for good, to uplift and inspire, but instead they were being used to promote negative influences. Bounty Killer believes such choices would lead to consequences from a higher power, indicating a spiritual dimension to his critique. He lamented the missed opportunity for Kartel to become one of dancehall's most significant artists by using his influence to positively shape people's mindset and behavior. The impact of Kartel's music, as described by Bounty Killer, extend beyond entertainment, influencing societal norms and values. Bounty Killer point to a perceived decline in respect and integrity in relationships, citing a lack of genuine love and emphasis on materialism. He highlighted a specific personal situation involving Kartel and his ex-girlfriend Milk, noting allegations about her visits to Kartel in prison and implications about their relationship dynamics. Bounty Killer's commentary served as a call to action, urging artists to consider their works' moral and social implication. It challenges audiences to reflect on the broader effect of music and cultural influences on society, advocating for a return to values that prioritize respect, love, and positive change. His words provoke a deeper conversation about the responsibility of artists and the potential for music to shape attitudes and behavior in constructive or detrimental way. So yeah man, so Bounty Killer I tell you say, oh, the reason why Vybz Kartel in a prison, him, they done foresee say boy, a death of Vybz Kartel end up, because the man are the epitome of evil, because him not teach the people them anything positive, he make the black people bleach. Me see a lot of woman bleach, and me I tell her, boy, me on TikTok, me I tell her say, she bleach and a part of her forehead black, and boy, me I just low self-esteem. Oh, you know, you as a black man do that to yourself, but hey, and he's paying now for all of these tattoos with the grave disease, and as we said before, we just hope it kill him. Yeah man, we don't have no sympathy, zero sympathy or compassion for Vybz Kartel. Him for dead in a prison, because him is a negative force and for the destruction of black people. So, Bounty Killer speak. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.